Dear students, in previous video we discussed the transcription process that DNA synthesize mRNA. Then mRNA is translated into protein, and this is called transcription, and this is translation. And the whole process is called central dogma. Dogma proposed by Francisco Crick. So we have already discussed the transcription process, and we have to go to the discussion about the translation, or how the information of DNA translate to the specific protein, that is called translation. So before going to translation, we have to know some knowledge about tRNA and genetic code. Today we'll discuss some idea about tRNA and genetic code. tRNA is a one type of RNA, three types of RNA, rRNA, mRNA and tRNA. tRNA is the smallest RNA among three types, smallest RNA. And this is soluble RNA. This is tRNA. tRNA is called transfer RNA. It transfers the amino acid to the ribosomal site, so it is named as transfer RNA. It is the smallest RNA, soluble RNA, and about 15% present in total RNA. Total RNA jete roche rRNA, mRNA and tRNA, so 15% roche tRNA. And it is shape is clover leaf model. Clover leaf size. That means this structure like tRNAs. It is a RNA. We know the RNA is a single stranded, but looks like a double stranded. Not double stranded, single stranded. This end is 3' end. This is 5' end. 3' end is slightly longer than the 5' end. And in 3' end, a hydroxyl group is present, or functional group is present. If this is a clover leaf model, this is a structure of tRNA. Different sites are. This is the end. This is the opposite end is anticodon. Anticodon site. This is carrier site. And here CCA. Nucleotide are present, nitrogen base are present, and this site is called amino acid binding site. This 3' end site is called amino acid binding site. Here the amino acid attached at the 3' end. Opposite to the amino acid binding site, that is called anticodon site. That means the mRNA has a code. This is mRNA. This mRNA has a code, and that reads the anticodon of tRNA, perfect amino acid. So if you, for example, AUG, if AU is the code of mRNA, that tRNA reads the anticodon site, reads the perfect amino acid. That means A is T normal U T G C. So this is adenine, thymine, uracil, thiamine, not thiamine, rahibani RNA kon rahbo seta UAC. So this is anticodon. This codon ro anticodon that reads the perfect read of the codon by anticodon site of the tRNA. And this site is called T-loop site. So T-loop site, it recognize the ribosome site. This is T site. ये जेहेतु सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड ये बेस पेयर ये रहथिबो CGAU ऐसे bond pair. And this is a non-functional group representing. This is non-functional. So this is T loop. This is amino acid binding sites. This is anticodon site. This is B loop. This side helps in amino acid binding, recognition of amino acid, This side is also called an enzyme side. So the tRNA has four sides. This is amino acid binding site, 3' end binding site. Amino acid जो आसीबो ये tRNA से बाइंड हेबो ये जीव कोठी के ना राइबोसोम पाखु तापर जे प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस हो. This is T loop राइबोसोम साइड को रिकॉग्नाइज करिवो T loop. This is anticodon side mRNA रो कोडन को रीड करिवो परफेक्ट रीड करिवो anticodon side. This is the D loop is equal to the recognition of amino acid को amino acid आसीबो ताको recognition करिवो D loop. This is the whole structure of the tRNA. Then we will go to the genetic code. This is small idea about the tRNA. Then we will discuss some idea about the genetic code before going to read the translation process. So genetic code first described by George Gamow. First proposed the genetic code. According to genetic code, according to Gamow, some scientists experimentally supported the George Gamow. Some scientists experimental support to the genetic code according to George Gamow. 3 scientists, one is Hargobind Khurana, next scientist Marshall Nirenberg, and third scientist Severo Oka. 3 scientists experimentally support to the George Gamow. So according to George Gamow, the 4 nitrogenous base such as adenine, uracil, cytosine, guanine, and according to him 64 codons. So 64 codons are developed by 4 nitrogenous base, by the permutation combination formula. We'll go to the tabulation. By the tabulation by George Gamow, tabulation आमे जानिबा केमती genetic code रहउची. देखियो केमती 64 कोडन according to George Gamow 64 कोडन के रहउची 4 nitrogenous base. देखियो आमे के टेबुलेशन रो से परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन माध्यम रे 64 कोडन डेवलप करथिले. फर्स्ट लाइन आमे A U C G सेंटी सेकंड लाइन फर्स्ट लाइन ये सेकंड लाइन A U C G थर्ड लाइन A U C G. तो देखियो कि डेवलप होची 64 कोडन. देखो A फर्स्ट लाइन सेकंड लाइन थर्ड लाइन. नेक्स्ट A U नेक्स्ट सॉरी A U नेक्स्ट A C नेक्स्ट A G. So 4 कोडन सेंटी देखो एटा बुझ जिबा A U A नेक्स्ट A U नेक्स्ट A U C नेक्स्ट A U G. तो इच बॉक्स रे 4 कोडन यदि एई बेले हम जिबा त प्रत्येकटा केते हो कोड 4 कोड केते ला 4 कोड टोटल केते हला ना 64 कोड 64 कोड रो 61 कोड इट recognize the amino acid for it helps in the formation of the amino acid recognition रे 61 कोड हेल्प करे. आउ जो तीनटा कोड that is called nonsense code. It does not recognize the amino acid. So 64 codon by permutation combination of 4 nitrogen bases 64 codons are developed. Among the 54 codon 61 codons recognize that there are 20 amino acid. आमे जानि छे हमर amino acid केते होइते ना 20 amino acid. 20 amino acid formation पाई 61 कोडन दरकार पड़ता है. आउ जो तीनटा कोडन ये कोनोसी amino acid को सिंथेसिस करबा सहायता करेन ताको हमें कहउचे नॉनसेंस कोडन. काना mRNA कोडन को से रीड करि पारे नाही. सो तीनटा होचे नॉनसेंस कोडन बा स्टॉप कोडन मध्ये कहा जाय. सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द साइलेंट फीचर्स ऑफ genetic code. Silent feature of genetic code. First point, 64 codon. Among 64 codon, 61 they help to read the amino acid, and 3 is nonsense codon. 3 is nonsense codon. Each codon is triplet of 3 nitrogenous base. 3 nitrogenous base. Next point, next feature. Each codon is non-ambiguous. Each codon is non-ambiguous. Non-ambiguous means specific codon recognize the specific amino acid. For example, AUG is a codon. It reads only specific for amino acid methionine. So no confusion. Each codon for specific amino acid. Next feature is code is universal. Code is universal. For example, UUU is a code, triplet code. Each code is a triplet base, triplet nucleotide. The code is universal. That means UU is responsible for amino acid phenylamine. And this phenylamine in human and also in bacteria. जितने जीव अच्छी UU code ये जो triplet code that helps in synthesizing the amino acid phenylamine in microorganism in human being. So code is universal. Next feature is comma-less reading. That means, for example, AUG UCAUGA आमे जो कोडन गुड़िक ट्रिपलेट कोडन दिस इज ए कोडन बट आमे केमिति लिखि AUG स्पेस UCA स्पेस UGA एई भली लिखा जाए ना. सो कॉमालेस AUG UCA UGA comma-less. In reading हमें comma-less रहता है. This is the salient feature of the genetic code. Next is AUG code. It is a dual nature, dual function. It helps the reading the amino acid methionine. And this is also called start codon. यदि मिथियोनाइन अमीनो एसिड को रीड करिवो ताले AUG निहात दरकार. AUG कोड मिथियोनाइन अमीनो एसिड पे रीड करता है. यदि मिथियोनाइन नहीं ताले AUG कोड स्टार्ट कोडन भावे सहायता करता है. कौन करता है? स्टार्ट कोडन. दैट इज कॉल्ड AUG स्टार्ट कोडन. very important. That is परीक्षा पे मन रखिबो. The first codon is AUG and the three nonsense codon are UGA, UAG and UAA. এই তিনটা কোডন को हमें कहूचे नॉनसेंस कोडन और स्टॉप कोडन. এই कोडन कौन सी प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस रे कौन सी अमीनो एसिड को रीड करिवे नाही कि प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस करिवे नाही. सो दीज आर दी थ्री नॉनसेंस कोडन और स्टॉप कोडन. AUG is called start codon and AUG codon is responsible for the reading of the amino acid methionine and this is also called as start codon. And UGA, UAG, UAA, these codons are not helps in reading the amino acid and that not helps in the translation process or protein synthesis process. So these codons are called as nonsense codon or stop codon. It stops the protein synthesis process. So each codon is a triplet in nature. Triplet base. ये होते nitrogen base, ये होते nitrogen base है. So each code is triplet base. So this is out a function रहेगा जे codon is not it is the stop codon, start codon, 64 codon, 61 is the amino acid codon, is the three nonsense codon. Each codon is a triplet of 3 nitrogen base. Each codon is non-ambiguous. That means it's specific for the specific amino acid. Code is universal. That means the codon reads the amino acid phenylphenol in bacteria jaha human being ba bada specimen ର ମଧ୍ୟ ସେୟା common as reading and another is overlapping, non-overlapping. Another point is non-overlapping. Codes are non-overlapping. 6 point non-overlapping. That means AUG CAU AUC ये गोटे कोडन ये गोटे कोडन ये गोटे कोडन जदि ओवरलैपिंग हुए AUG AUG UGC GCA GCAU ये बड़ी हम किंतु ये बड़ी हुए नहीं ये सदा बड़े स्पेसिफिक तीनटा नहीं की पढ़ा जाए AUG CAU AUC सो इट इज नॉन ओवरलैपिंग AUG UGC GCA ये बड़ी हुए नहीं सो कोड्स आर नॉट overlapping. These are the some salient features of a genetic code. Then in next video we will discuss the total process of translation, how the information of the DNA carried by the mRNA and how the mRNA translate into the protein and how the tRNA and genetic code helps in translation. In next video we will discuss the most important process of molecular basis of inheritance, that is called translation process. Okay, thank you.